Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove emojis from your Android keyboard in seconds. So, let's get started. First, open any app that uses the keyboard, like Chrome or Google. Next, tap on the search bar on the top. Now, when the keyboard appears, tap on the settings icon at the top of the keyboard. Once you're in the settings menu, tap on Preferences. Here, look for the option called Emoji Key and simply turn it off. This will remove the emoji button from your keyboard. Next, go back and tap on Emojis, Stickers, and GIFs. Now, under the Layout section, you'll see a couple of options related to emojis. Turn both of these toggles off. After that, go back to your keyboard. Now you'll notice that the emoji options are no longer visible, and your keyboard looks cleaner without them. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.